The cost of Nkn had its own portion of highs and lows. Close to its pinnacle, the Nkn cost arrived at the unsurpassed high of $1.48 in April 2021. The Nkn cost equivalent 28 cents today, which is 1.65% more than yesterday. However, the ongoing business sector position of number 278 makes Nkn underestimated. As we would see it, the cost of Nkn is close to its help levels. This may be a great chance to dissect Nkn cost activity and comprehend in the event that it can produce great profits from speculation. The following is the arranged examination of the innovation, the organization, and the Nkn cost expectations with the diagram examination to assist you with settling on better speculation choices later on. What is Nkn Crypto? The authority white paper depicts Nkn, our new sort of organization, as another age of profoundly versatile, self-boosted, and self-advancing public blockchain framework. Utilizing the cell automata approaches, Nkn tends to the organization's self-development as well as decentralization for productivity and dynamism. The evidence of work system accomplishes the tokenization of the Nkn organization's availability and information bandwidth. Nkn stresses decentralizing organization assets in a manner that is near how Ethereum and Bitcoin work by decentralizing figuring power and how Filecoin and IPFS decentralize capacity. Every one of this makes the Nkn network effective, decentralized, balanced, secure, strong, and accordingly prepares for making an open web that is both better and more secure for financial planning. Nkn Ventures. The Nkn biological system has three significant tasks at this point. These are: data write it as a decentralized stage as a help or PaaS. It is quicker and dependable, with low informing, web-based, and document move administration for one individual to another, machine to human, as well as machine to machine correspondence. It has a few use cases, some of which stretch out to talks and texting administrations, direct document moves, IoT interchanges, controller of servers, or live visit support administrations. It offers a lightweight SDK that upholds Java, Go, Android, and iOS. The venture is running utilizing a freemium model for the time being, which makes it allowed to attempt and wipes out the need to set up and keep up with its own foundation. And mobile, to lay it out plainly. And mobile is an informing application fueled by blockchain innovation. The solid visit safeguards the client's very own information by keeping it on the gadget. Every one of the messages are encoded, and no information is put away on the cloud. It upholds both English and Chinese language. It is 100% unknown, where each client discusses on the organization with a haphazardly produced ID. The stage is additionally open source, dissimilar to informing stages like WhatsApp. This implies it is available to everybody. And this likewise scrambles the client data with a genuine confidential key that is confidential to every other person. And connected is a finished remote access arrangement instrument that follows the most elevated security and protection principles. The help empowers its clients to arrive at their private and individual information with only a single tick. It is open to its clients whenever, no matter what their geological area. Nkn Specialized Examination. The underneath cost outline shows how radically the cost of Nkn tokens expanded utilizing a few unmistakable specialized pointers. The start of the last year pushed the costs up and gave a decent revisitation of the merchants on their venture. There was high volume since last February as the cost began to increment in the improving bearing, causing an unpredictability expansion in the long stretches of February and walk 2021. In any case, this Nkn cost increment was nothing contrasted with the value ascent of April. In April 2021, the coin stamped critical unpredictability, making an unsurpassed high at $1.48 cost level for Nkn. This expansion in unpredictability is all demonstrated by the Bollinger Groups. During a similar period, in the long stretch of April 2021, the RSI pointer made an overbought signal. For this situation, the RSI accurately anticipated the cost condition as the Nkn value dropped before long. The Nkn cost hit its most minimal levels in June 2021 with the least unpredictability. As of now, the market fired, getting its speed and begun to move once more, and for some time, it seemed to be the Nkn token was moving upwards. At present, the RSI is 76.15. The amassing circulation marker starts to downtrend after the untouched highs of last April 2021. This is mostly on the grounds that the typical ascent in volume began to drop. And this implies that the market began to lose revenue after the cost increment of April 2021. In the wake of arriving at the 50-day moving normal in August 2021 following the downtrend, the value began to move back up. From that point forward, the cost has varied close to the 50-day moving normal, and the ongoing cost is over the 50-day remarkable moving normal at 28 cents. It is normal to be a ready and open door for financial backers to put resources into as the RSI is approaching the oversold signal, and the help level is close for Nkn. Nkn Value Expectations 2022 to 2026. The accompanying Nkn cost expectations utilize prescient calculations and specialized investigation to figure future present moment and long-haul costs. It is to be noticed that this doesn't imply that the future cost of Nkn will be definitively the equivalent, as the investigation utilizes past execution. Financial backers should know that previous exhibition doesn't show future cost developments. The accompanying Nkn gauge ought not be deciphered as a piece of speculation counsel. Financial backers and merchants should do their own examination prior to engaging in unpredictable resources. Moreover, the digital money market is one of the strange business sectors where the cost can change for the time being. Financial backers and dealers the same should know about the dangers implied and do their own reasonable level of investment. Understanding gamble resilience is basic to finding your own exchanging style. In any case, we should begin to find out about the Nkn token cost expectation for the present moment and long haul. Nkn Value Expectation 2022. Nkn's presentation was not so certain during the start of 2021. Yet before Q1 finished, it had previously arrived at its greatest cost. Nkn cost today is 28 cents, with a slight fall in the cost and market cap contrasted with the beyond couple of days. The normal least value worth of Nkn might be 35 cents for the ongoing year. The Nkn can arrive at a most extreme value level of 40 cents. And the typical cost is estimated to be around 38 cents. Nkn Value Forecast 2023. The Nkn cost forecast recommends that the Nkn worth will arrive at any rate cost of 38 cents while at the same time foreseeing a most extreme value level of 47 cents. According to our Nkn gauge, the typical cost level for 2023 will be close 43 cents, contrasted with the ongoing year worth of Nkn. Its worth in 2023 is supposed to be served according to our figure. Nkn Value Forecast 2024. The verifiable information in Nkn cost expectations models propose the base cost of Nkn will be 35 cents, the greatest cost will be close 53 cents, and the typical cost will be around 46 cents in the year 2024. Nkn has extraordinary potential for a momentary period and may contact new levels in the event that the latest thing proceeds. Nkn Value Expectation 2025. The specialized examination for the year 2025 predicts the base cost of 49 cents and the most extreme cost of 62 cents. The typical exchange cost will be 57 cents. The Nkn cost figure recommends that on the off chance that the worth of the Nkn coin arrives at the anticipated level, it very well might be an indication that the interest for the symbolic will see an unexpected spike. Nkn Value Expectation 2026. There may be slight destruction in the cost in the year 2026 when contrasted with 2025. The Nkn Crypto cost expectation recommends that a base cost of 46 cents will be accomplished. The most extreme cost is supposed to be 55 cents while keeping a typical cost of 50 cents for the year 2026. What number of Nkn tokens are there available for use? The ongoing business sector capitalization of the Nkn